Today on Boston Girl Bakes, I want to show you how to make these super easy no-bake cookies. These cookies are one of my favorites that I definitely grew up making and eating. They're super simple to throw together. They're made on your stovetop with just a few ingredients and they come together in just minutes. So let's get started. Let's make these super easy no-bake cookies.
In a saucepan over medium heat, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with a half a cup of milk and a half a cup of unsalted butter with a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. You want to just have that over medium heat and just stirring it until it's all melted together. And then once it's boiling, you'll boil it for 60 seconds and remove it from the heat.
One of the biggest complaints I get about these cookies is that they come out dry and crumbly. That's probably because you are keeping them on the stovetop for too long. My tip for you is to get them to a rolling boil and then set your timer. You want them to boil for 60 seconds and then take them off the heat. It'll make for the perfect texture in the end.
Then you want to immediately stir in your 3 cups of quick oats, 1 cup of smooth peanut butter, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract with 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And you're just going to stir that all together until the peanut butter is melted and the oats are combined. And once your cookie mixture is ready, you're going to want to immediately scoop these cookies onto your cookie sheet. So I like to have my sheet pan ready with parchment paper so that these are ready to be scooped. You can use a cookie scoop or just use 2 spoons like I'm doing here. And then let them sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes until hardened, and then they are ready to enjoy. So there you go. That is how to make my super easy no-bake cookies recipe.
I hope you enjoy this no-bake cookie recipe. It's one of my favorites. If you give it a try, I would love to know in the comment section below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.